What's up, guys? Uncle John here from unclejonssoap.com. So, time for another Don't Be a Jerk. Been too long again. Sorry about that. I got to get on a schedule. Anyway, I had a customer last week who shot me an email telling me that the soap that he bought, shave soap, sorry, let's be specific. He bought Tahitian Dream shave soap. He didn't like the smell of it, and it got sticky. Like he said, uncontrollably sticky. Like adding water didn't do anything, taking water away didn't do anything, or adding less. So, and he said the smell was really medicinal, this and that. You know, that it doesn't smell like anything I said, and I was misrepresenting. Okay, I get it. Some people are just going to be that way, and you can't make them happy. I tried to work with the guy. I said, listen, have you tried adding more water? And I made some suggestions. And I said, listen, I also know that, and I didn't say listen that many times, by the way. This is just because I'm rambling doing a video. I understand that everybody's nose is subjective, scents are subjective. You know, they're going to smell different to everybody. I can pick out 2 of the main scents in that soap and sort of a generic fruit scent after that. I know what's in it, but I'm telling you my nose and brain, what I smell when I close my eyes and put my nose to that jar. You know, I smell the coconut and banana right off the bat. He doesn't. So, okay. Long story short, or it's already too long, but anyway. I said, oh, and he sent me a response back that, you know, I've been shaving for years. I know how to add water to soap and everything else. Okay, so I responded back, said, I get it. I'm asking you to give it another shot if you would. If you're still not happy with it, I'll give you your money back. And I heard nothing back from him. So the other day, I issued him a refund just because I figured head it off the pass, issue a refund. The day after that, the soap arrived in the mail. Not sure why he would send it back either way. I don't want it. I can't use it. I can't sell it. I'm not, you know, I don't know. So I got the soap. I did issue a refund even before that. So everything should be good and honky-dory. I have my website set up so that 2 weeks after you receive your product or it's shipped or whatever, you get an email that asks for a review of the product. Fair enough. He left a review. 1-star review. I'm going to try to post it here so you can see it. I don't know. I'm not real good with the computer/camera stuff, so bear with me. I'll see what I can do. So anyway, he left me a review. Soap stinks, sticky, will never buy again. Pretty short, pretty sweet, to the point. 1 star, done. Now, I filter my reviews. And here's the here's the reasoning behind that. I don't want to censor reviews except in a case where I've seen some reviews where people get pretty raunchy, and I don't want that on my site. Or if they're obvious trolls. If I know who that account is and they've never bought anything from me, and I'm small enough that I know, trust me, I know, then I don't want to allow that review. To that end, I put his review live. I knew it was about the product. I didn't agree with him, and that's okay. I don't have to agree with him. He didn't like my product. I let the review go live today, and then I responded to it. Said, hey, listen, I'm sorry you were had a less than pleasurable experience with our product. As I stated in my previous email to you, your refund has been issued. Okay? Good. I get an email 10 minutes later. Hold on, I got to read this to you because it's just absolutely insane. Now, I responded to his review, which sends him an email notification. His response to that was, I was asked to do a review and I did. If you filter all of your reviews, then there is no reason to leave a true review as you will not post it. I buy off of reviews and you are misleading the public by not allowing all reviews to be posted. 2 exclamation points. The email that you responded to this morning was from the live review off of my website. Pay attention. I'm not putting you down for reviewing my product in, a 1-star manner. You don't like it, it's a 1-star to you, perfect. You didn't curse, you didn't speak about me personally in a negative way, so why would I not let the review go through? Now, to date, and I don't know if I said this earlier, to date, I have never stopped a review from going through. I have a couple reviews where the guy left me raving reviews about a product and my service, and he clicked 1 star. I don't know what happened there. It might have been a slip on his phone when he was clicking, whatever. It happens. But you know what? I let it go through anyway. I have never held one back yet. I've never gotten any really nasty reviews. And I don't want to censor them. But I am going to keep an eye on them. So the other reason for making it so that I have to review them before they're approved is also so that it forces me to sit down and read them. So no matter what, I have to sit down and read the review or open it to approve it. So it keeps me kind of in contact and in touch with what's going on out there. People happy, not happy, they like, they don't like, things like that. If I get a review that says, hey, I love this product, but one thing I would like to see is ... Okay, now I got something I can put in my little closet, Dagwood closet in the back of my mind and say, all right, there's something, if I keep seeing this come up, or if I get a chance, if I agree with it, maybe it's something I can work on now. Cool. But don't jump on here and accuse me of misleading my customers. That's the last thing I do. I don't mislead anybody. Okay? That's not going to happen. I gave you your money back. It's good. Your review's live on the site. We're good. So stop shooting me emails saying that I'm misleading people, yada, yada, yada. And please, if you get an email, please read it, because it'll kind of shows you that you're responding to a live review on the website. So the long and the short of it is, love you guys. Not everybody's going to like every scent. Some people don't like my stuff at all. This guy bought one product. He based my whole business on one product. And that's fine. It's going to happen. I've done it myself in the past. And I applaud him for not bashing me personally until that last email. So we'll see if he puts that on the review on the website too. But anyway, the bottom line is, be honest. I didn't care that he didn't even mention the customer service and how attentive I was in emails, and the fact that I sent him his money before he ever thought about mailing my product, or before I received it. I guess it would have taken longer than 1 day. So, I'm trying here, folks, but, be reasonable. I don't expect every review to be great. I don't expect everybody to like every product. I don't expect everybody to like me. But, there's a respectful give and take in the whole process. And if you lose that respect, then everything goes to crap. If you leave me a bad review and you are an actual customer, I will let that review go through. Just leave it clean. There's no need to curse about it. There's no need to talk about my mother or my kids. If you leave a clean review, an honest review, I'll let it go through. Absolutely. So don't ever think I'm censoring the reviews on my site to make it all look good. I don't do it on YouTube. The only things I've ever deleted comment-wise on YouTube were people that jumped on there and got out of control. People that you wouldn't have in your house if they spoke the way they spoke on my threads on YouTube. There's other people that disagree with me. I got no problem with that. Just don't disrespect me. So, don't be a jerk. Alright guys, have a great rest of your day. And as soon as I figure it out, I'm going to try to do a YouTube live soon. I started messing around with Shavette and a straight razor that I got the other day. And I did okay with the straight razor. It wasn't great. I did better with the Shavette, honestly. But, practice. Practice makes perfect. Or more blood. I don't know. We'll see. So, stay tuned. Hey, if you got anything out of this, if you enjoyed it, please click subscribe. And if you don't want to miss any of the videos, click the little bell icon. It'll let you know when I'm around, if I've posted something. And I really appreciate you guys being here. See ya.